Okay, there's a kitty in here somewhere. I see a little paw. Ah, there he is. Hello? Hello, little buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Oh, you're silly. I caught you crawling in the hot tub stuff. I caught you. It's a good spot, huh? I still can't figure out why my float deflated. I don't know what about that. Huh. You're very silly. You're very silly. You're very silly there. There's all kinds of good places to go, aren't there? All kinds of good places to go in there. Ah, I think there he is again. I see a little bit. Ah, hello. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Ah, hey. Hey, buddy. I wish you'd be cute. Why can't you ever be cute? I keep taking video because I'm waiting for something to be cute. Ah, there he is. He's really having a good time, huh? Ah, there you are. This is pretty darn cute. Well, alright, so it's cute. I said it. That's cute. What are you doing? Before he was sliding down the thing here before. Hello? Hello, little one. Ah. He's going to miss me very much, aren't you? He's going to be so depressed he won't eat for weeks. Wondering where his Nance is. Huh. Where'd Nance go? Where'd Nance go? What do you think you might do? Are you going to come down the slide? Huh? Maybe come down the slide? Yeah, you're so funny. You're a funny guy. That's my boyfriend right there. We're in love. We're totally in love, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We're in love with each other. Oh, boy. Ah, there he is. Ah, where'd he go? Where'd he go? You're very silly. You're very silly. Hi. I can't stop getting video of this. It's just... Alright, it's cute. It's cute. Hello? Hello, little pekin' boy. Little pekin' boy. Now there he is again. There he is again. I just stabbed myself with the yucca leaf. That's going to leave a mark. Buddy, all kinds of stuff to explore, huh? All kinds of stuff to explore in there. Yeah. Ah, you're out in the open. There's my new float. I better move him off of that. Be a good idea. Huh. Probably be a good idea. You start jumping up in there. He's over here looking at his old house. That's where he was born. Let's get a shot of that, actually. That's where they were. All in there. Huh. Isn't that right? Yeah. He's cute. He's a little cute.